Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka kunhun menteri jong ka jela hne kasngi ha ka jingya kendo jongki kila menjur ya ka amendment jong ka Meghalaya Private Security Agency rules ha ka ju kapor ka kunhun menteri kala menjur ban penbek ya ka Special Force 10 lani ka SF10 ha ka ba kani ka kunhun ka badon chiajar news pa prap saungut ka bala menjur da ka kunhun menteri bat napdeng jongki kendai spa sangut kinne ha kani ka SF10 bat kiwei pat kibadai jong ka SF10 an pendon kam no hakiwei pat kijung don kam lagadai hapo ki police outpost lani haki police station kibadon haka jelahi berok kawai ya kani ka gunhun menteri kala shimya karai ban pendon kam ya kini ki pulet haka jing don kam jong ki jaka ki baper hapo ka jelah.
We'll have the review meeting tomorrow. Today we have already the since the Honorable CM is under virtual presence, and after that I think tomorrow in evening we will have a review meeting on the COVID situation. Nothing was discussed. We will discuss tomorrow. We only have the data. They only keep the data. Then tomorrow we'll study what is the need for what to do forward. In the coming days. The Honorable Cabinet has approved the proposal to restructure the Special Force 10, SF10, and the amendment of Meghalaya Special Force Amendment Rules 2016. So we know that the strength of the SF10 approved by the Cabinet is 1,784. And the actual strength as of now is 1,387. So we want to restructure it in such a way that 905 will remain in SF10, and the rest we could transfer to the district or to any outpost or SDPO as the case may be. So this also, both the rules and the restructuring have been approved by the Cabinet. Number 3, the Cabinet has approved the amendment of service rule relating to the establishment of the Directorate of Dairy Development brought about by the Animal and Husbandry Department. And number 4 is the minor amendment to the Meghalaya Stamp Payment of Duty by means of E-Stamp Rule 2020. So these are the 4 items which the Cabinet has approved. Outpost or police station, then it will surely help in curbing the crime of the everyday crime which happen all over the state. As I mentioned to you, that as of now, 1,387 SF10 out of the total sanctioned strength of 1,784, which the Cabinet has approved to restructure into 905. So we have a balance of 482 SF10. So this 482, we could transfer to different district for the better policing in different part of the district of the state. That if you remember that this SF10 was established purposely to see the overall law and order in the state regarding the militancy and also the disaster management and all. And we have seen that regarding this disaster management, the revenue and the disaster management have their own people to man. And we have seen that with this reduce in militancy all over the state, so there is a need to restructure this SF10 so that maximum benefit will derive by using this same personnel in the other district to curb this other crime which happen from time to time. Honorable Cabinet has approved the amendment of the Meghalaya Public Security Agency rule. So these Maclear Security Agency rules 2021 have been approved by the Cabinet. These rules necessitate due to the fact that the central government in December 2020 brings out the model rules for all over the country. So do we have rules, previous rules? So there is the need to bring out the new rules. But since there is so many changes, so we have decided to bring out a new rules altogether, which called the Maclear Private Security Agency Rules 2021. Personnel, you mean the personnel affected by COVID? I didn't have how many of them, but there are some. So the police have taken all the necessary measure to see that they are protected, and if there is anybody who have been contacted, all necessary SOP as prescribed by the department, we are following that up. After observing the situation all over the state, then the government, the home police has, in order to maximize the productivity, to maximize the use of resources in the state. So, and considering that the resource of the state, relaxed lockdown is there, but as you see, we cannot stop the people who are going to hospital. We cannot stop the people who have some passes which given by district administration. So the district administration will look into that if there is anything like that. Then we will take a necessary step how to streamline if there is any issue. Thank you.